Hi everyone, this is Zahra. I want to explore how this rich editor on Moodle works. Let's begin. The first step is coming to this part and adding a new discussion topic, because whatever we can do with this editor is on this discussion box. Okay, first of all, let's add a subject. Explore the rich editor. Okay, here you see a lot of features here. Some features can help us with paragraph formatting, making changes in the shape of the text, making changes in the font and the size of it, and different textual changes like aligning left, centering it, aligning it right, adding bullet points or number. And also we can add the URL to the text. We can add pictures, emoticons, videos, and different files. We can also directly use Moodle here in this part by directly recording audio files in two formats, MP3 and the other one, the Moodle one. And also we can record video, add texts, draw a picture, and add photo. Take a photo and directly post it here. Also, there are some features that allow us to change the text color and the background color of the text, and also paste something here from Word and also as plain text. Now let's see how it works. Imagine I want to write a lesson. I begin it with, dear students. Okay, let's listen to the podcast. I make different changes in it. For example, here is the heading, level 1. I make it to the heading, I make it bold, I italicize it, I can make changes in the color of the text, for example to the dark blue, and also I can make changes in the background. Let's see how it looks. Okay, not bad. In order to make it more attractive for the students, let's add smiley emoticons to it as well. Now, let's listen to the podcast. Let's make some changes in it too. Make it a bit bigger to be read more easily. Italicize it. Change the color to red and the background. Okay, let's see how it looks. Not bad. I want to, for instance, add the podcast. It's very important to let students know that when we want to enter a file, a picture, any type of content, or a text, or even a sentence, it's very important to mention the source of it. For example, I have downloaded one podcast from British Council site, and now I want to add it here. So it's very important to copy and share the source of it. I copy the URL here. I write source. Okay, I don't want this part to have the colored background. I remove the background color. It's not the main text, so I can make it even smaller. Now it's highlighted. I can go to URL, add link. I can paste the link of the website I have already copied and press the button insert. Now, you see that this source is now an active link. Students can click on it and directly go to the source website. Now let's add the file. Here I can find or upload a sound, video, or applet. Here I choose a file from my computer. I upload this part and wait for it to be uploaded. It may take some time depending on the size of the file and the internet speed. Okay, the file is uploaded now. We can try it here to make sure if it's working correctly. We can download it. And also, finally, we should insert it in order to make sure it's on the page. Now let's try the other features. I can add some mathematical symbols, but it doesn't have to do with the listening lesson. It's just in order to try to see how it works. Okay, we can come to these parts, choose different formula we want to insert, add different numbers to it. As you see, there are different features. Okay, it's added here. It's not intended here in this lesson, but in order to see how it works, it's not bad to have it. And also different symbols. For example, if I want to have it here in the text, maybe I want to add a chart, a table. Here I can identify the number of columns, that's right, and the number of rows. Let's do that 3 and insert it. Okay, here is the table. We can make change in the size of it. We can add what is intended here. At the moment, I'm not gonna write something particular in it, just as examples. It depends on our purpose. And we can change these squares, these boxes. Okay, as you realized, we could change, we could use these features in order to make different changes in the box, in the discussion box. And this rich editor is really a rich one. We could add different audio, different media. We could add picture, we could add video, audio, and also we could directly record something on it. We could add different mathematical symbols and different textual changes in order to edit our text. Thank you so much for your attention. Goodbye.